Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to improve battery life for HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Let's begin. First of all, we want to simply head into the settings. Then you want to scroll down a little and enter battery. Now you want to head into battery health. And finally, we have two options that are probably the most important options for you to extend your battery life, and it's the smart charge and custom charging limit. Now, as you can see, smart charge is by default actually enabled, and it will preserve the battery health by just preventing you to charge past 80% until you will really need it. And it really, I know that if you have this phone like newly, if you haven't been using it quite a long, you may know that this doesn't really work that good, and it's only because your phone hasn't really adjusted to your routine just yet. So for example, if you're going to wake up every single day at, 7 a.m., then your HUAWEI will soonly learn that and will actually charge up to 100% only mere seconds after you wake up. This is very, very cool thing. And also we have custom charging limit, which is something similar but even greater. And we can sorry for that. We can set a maximum charging limit for your device based on our preferences, and we can even see that we can reduce battery aging by setting this between 70 and 90%, though the system may occasionally fully charge the battery to evaluate its current condition. So we can enable this, and as you can see, the moment we enable this, we are disabling the smart charge, which is very, very important. And now we can change, for example, this to 80 or 70. We only have this much customizability. There's nothing that big about this. But for the best battery health, I would suggest making this 80%, and you should be good to go with your battery health. Are there other things? Well, technically, you can probably you can avoid charging your battery every night. So you want to plug your phone and then you will just kill your battery over the night. Unless you have this installed, then this is pretty good. But other than that, I think it's pretty self-explanatory that after we have enabled these two options, everything should start working again, and our battery health will probably be very, very long for a very, very long amount of time, giving us the most usability in the long term. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.